Right, channel update time. This is a bit awkward. Some of you have been asking and commenting why has there been such a big gap between videos. It's around about 5 or 6 months I think between videos, and the reason for that is I couldn't sustain doing videos as well as getting this place ready as well. I've been doing majority of the work myself apart from some of the electrics and some of the plastering, so I wanted to get Ethernet cabling, specifically Cat 6 in every single room, double ports in every single room, hopefully just getting wired products in where I can and then using less Wi-Fi. Channel update time. Am I finished? No. I've still got some bits and bobs to do, but the majority of the place is done. It's decorated, just little bits and pieces I need to do, so hence this. I wanted to have a little bit more of a streamlined setup where I could just switch on a camera, maybe switch on a light only, and just start recording, so I didn't have to clean up things or get things ready. It was taking me a long time to just prepare for a video. I wanted to make it as fast as possible, which I think I can do with this newer setup. Well, it's what used to be a cupboard, the remnants of a cupboard, so welcome to the cupboard, I'm gonna say. So yeah, I originally was planning on having a just a specific room for myself, but things change, family get in the way, so yeah, from a room to a cupboard, I'm gonna say this is. So yeah, hopefully you're gonna see more of me in this form here, like this. So yeah, which is what I couldn't do previously, and it was really getting on my nerves that I couldn't be in front of the camera and the content wasn't what I wanted it to be, so I just stopped, concentrated on what I needed to do to get me to this place here, and hopefully I should be able to produce more content. I've been slowly getting into the routine, so I've been doing a couple of videos a week at the moment, and I'm well aware that the views aren't where they should be, and that's because of the sub boxes. The videos aren't going out to the viewers' sub boxes, so people aren't seeing them, people aren't watching them, blah blah blah. I've contacted YouTube, tell them what's what, but yeah, they can't really help out. So if you're new or old, do make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and if you're new, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. Channel update time. Oh, another update is I had to give my chair back. That new chair I bought, I unboxed. If you haven't seen the video, links in the description. Unboxed it, put it together, it looked really cool and it was orange. When I actually put it here, I didn't like it. It didn't feel like it fitted in with this very red and blue room. I'm well aware that it looks like something at a gay pride march, but hey, I like bright colours. But yeah, the chair didn't fit in, so I sent the chair back and I'm getting exactly the same chair, but in a mesh black colour, so hopefully that should look good once I get that. Channel update time. I think I might do a video on home networking, how I put the Cat 6 cables in, where they all route through to the patch cabling, how all that looks. So do let me know in the comment section down below, or just leave a like so I know that you're up for seeing a video like that if you want to do something in your own homes maybe. I am also using Wi-Fi, but I want to cut down on the devices that I use Wi-Fi on, so wherever I can, I want to use a wide connection. Now the other thing is I really want to get back to doing more and more videos, just purely because I like creating content, putting it out on the internet. It takes my mind off BS stuff going at home or at work. It takes my mind off stuff like that, and I like creating something from nothing. So you video recording something completely from scratch, recording it, editing it, making edits to various things like the sounds or anything on screen, and then uploading it for the wider internet. I really like that process, and outside of digitally creating content, I like making things with wood, to be honest. So yeah, I'm an avid DIYer, so I like doing stuff like that, and this is just one of the things I like to do. So I think it'll help with even with some of my anxiety of being in front of the camera. So I want to do more of this because practice makes perfect, and it'll help me with not just YouTube stuff but outside of YouTube, as I say, with the anxiety and stuff like that. So yeah, you're definitely going to be seeing more videos of me like this. channel update time. I'm amazed I've got through this entire video with no building work sounds because they've been going off all day, so it's amazing. That's the channel update. I'm not dead, I'm still alive. I'm going to be making more videos, and I'm very aware that I've been using my hands quite a lot in this video. So yeah, that's a thing. So yeah, if you're new, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're old viewers, make sure you hit that notification bell, and you're going to see more of me in this format, and hopefully more tech as well. As I say, I want to get back to doing more content. So yeah, channel update time. I ramble a lot, don't I? Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a wicked day. Remember, new or old, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Some of the silly stuff I do.